We are going to see how to pay for processes in the Edo State Judiciary website. In your phone browser, on Google search bar, type Edo State Judiciary Payment. From the first result, click on Make Payment. It will take you to this portal on the website. Enter your first name. Then your last name. Thereafter, enter your phone number. Then scroll down. Then indicate the court you want to make the payment to. We have High Court, Civil and Criminal, Magistrate and Customary Court. Here, we are making payment under High Court, Civil. On this displayed menu, there are different Edo State High Court judicial divisions. Here, our payment is under High Court Sapele Road. You indicate it. Then, the next column is purpose of payment. You have letters, divorce, court processes, writ, declaration, sealing, fine, fundamental rights and miscellaneous. Here, our payment purpose is for letters. So, we select letters. Then indicate the amount, which is 500 naira. Then click on Payment. It will take to this page. Ensure that all the details are correct. Then, click Make Payment. Then, indicate the payment method you want to use. Here, we are paying with card. Click Pay with Card. On this page, enter your card details. Enter the card numbers on your credit card. Next column is to enter the expiring date of the card. Then the security code that is at the back of the card, enter it. Then, click Pay. Enter your ATM card PIN. Thereafter, click Authorize. Then wait for an OTP that your bank would send to the mobile phone number that you use to receive bank alert. It may take a few seconds for it to come. It depends on the network. It has come. Copy it. Paste it in the column. Then, click Authorize. The payment is successful. It will generate the receipt of payment. This is the receipt. You can now save or screenshot it for printing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.